Hi everybody, welcome back to the Briar Patch. I'm Vicki and today is Make It Yourself Monday. And today we are going to be making a couple of framed prints for my bathroom. That's an example of one. I made one already and I'm going to make the second one with y'all. So I did this print I made for $1. And all it cost me was the frame I got at the Dollar Tree. So, well, I spent $2 because I bought 2 frames. So you're gonna need a frame. I wanted black because I have black accents in my bathroom. I picked that up. And then you're gonna need 2 pieces of cardstock. You're gonna want one for the background and one for your image. I went online and I Googled rabbit and Easter templates. Got a bunny one and an Easter egg one. So they're real easy to find. Just Google printable images and you'll find whatever you want. And then I cut those out. I cut them out and I traced them onto a cereal box to make a more sturdy template. So I could trace it and it's just more sturdy to lay on the cardstock to trace it. So then you'll need a pair of scissors, pencil,
Hey there.
and adhesive. That's all you need. It's really simple. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I cut out my template. I traced it on to the back of a cereal box, or you could use like a piece of poster board, cut it out. So now I have a nice sturdy template to trace onto my paper. I took this, placed it on my cardstock, traced around with a pencil, and then I cut it out. And then we have this. So we have this piece. And then now I'm going to sponge it. So I'm taking a little sponge dauber and I have some brown ink. And it's easy to sponge. Just go, you can make it as light or dark. You can use any color. I like using brown. I like things to look kind of antiqued. This was so quick and easy to make. My rabbit one went together so fast. Sponge around the edges. There we go. Okay, so that's antiqued looking. Okay, so now for the background. I took a big piece of cardstock and I used my paper trimmer and I cut it 8.5 by 11 because that's how big my my frame is. And I wound up with this piece. So now we just have to center this, just like that. Let's see if you guys can see better. Okay, so I'm going to take my little adhesive here, flip this over, and I'm just going to run a little bit around the edges. Oopsie. This might be getting low. I use a lot of adhesive. I was afraid something's going to fall apart. Oops. Okay, so there's my adhesive. We're going to center it right on the back. Just like that. And we'll press it down. Okay. So now let me grab the frame. Okay. little pliers to take these things out. Pull this out, pull this. Okay. Then we're just going to flip this over, set that in, put this in, and put these back in. I think it took me longer to pick out my paper than it did to actually put this thing together. One more. And there it is. Isn't that cute? I hope you guys can see that okay. Okay, let me switch the camera back and I'll show you these. Okay, so here's our finished product. Of course, here's the bunny I made first. And then here is the Easter egg. Isn't that cute? My bathroom's yellow, so I think that'll match nice. At the end of the video, I'll insert a picture of them hanging in my bathroom. So I'm glad that you stopped by for Make It Yourself Monday. I hope you'll be inspired to give this project a try. And I hope you'll stop back tomorrow because I have a very special surprise for everybody. So enjoy your day and go make something fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye.